Today we are talking about how actually writing things in your planner can help you get more done. So stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about how actually writing with a pen or pencil in your planner or in your journal helps you get more things done. Hi, this is Editing Kara. I'm in here interrupting myself for just a second because I have a little announcement that I want to talk about before I get into the video. Okay, so after trying it out for 6 months, I've decided to go back to just posting one video a week. It was a lot of work, but it was really fun. But I'm really scared that doing 2 videos every week is just gonna burn me out. So starting in July, I am going to be posting my videos on Sunday, probably earlier in the day, but on Sunday, so that'll help you get your week off to a really great start. And the topics of these videos aren't going to change. They're going to be a mix of the topics that you love: planner setups, decorating tips and tricks, planner hacks, as well as me sitting there talking to you face to face like I will be doing in this video, with lots of motivational tips and organization tips as well. I'll also be continuing my declutter and organization of my craft rooms, so I'll have some videos on that coming up. So make sure you stay tuned because I have so many fun ideas coming for you for the summer. If you have any video ideas that you would like to see, make sure that you let me know in the comments. Okay, now let's get back to why writing in a paper planner is better than typing. I know that I'm preaching to the choir here, but I thought that you would like to know that you are right in the fact that writing in a paper planner is better, and now you have a reason. Okay, let's get back to the video. There is a correlation between using a pen and paper with how the brain receives information. When you handwrite things, you retain it better and you're able to remember it a little bit easier. But it also encourages critical thinking so that you can make better decisions and you look at tasks in a more creative way. So if you have problems, you'll be able to solve them a little bit easier and carry out those tasks in a more practical way. And typing just doesn't have the same effect. When you write something in your planner with a pen, you're better apt to retain that task, and you might just do it without having to check your planner every 5 minutes. This is also a great defense for you when someone says, "Why are you using a paper planner? It's 2020, you should be using a digital calendar." And some of us are just paper people and we love the touch and feel of paper and writing in our own handwriting. And you'll know that you're being more productive when you use a pen to write things into your planner. In the comments below, let me know what your favorite pen is. Next week, we're going to be talking about a day in the life of a planner. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. You can check out last week's video here where I talked about reassessing your goals for 2020. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. You can subscribe here by clicking on my little face. Here are 2 more videos that I think you will like. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.